Welcome back to a new video by Simone, a quick and easy face paint tutorial with today this lovely roses eye design. The first thing Simone does is put a base down on the side of her eye. This is Crystal Jubilee, a purplish face paint by Superstar. And then it is time to create the roses on the skin. This is a split cake by Diamond FX. And the roses are very simple for this one. It is just the heart of the rose and two petals around it to make it into a rose. And Simone does this 4 times on the side of her eye. And then this is a Quickies stencil by Pro Air and white by Diamond FX to create some patterns next to those roses. The split cake grass by Diamond FX as well to create some green leaves around those roses. A double dip flower and some double dip petals. A few dots for the hearts of the roses. And the long liner brush by Mark Reed to create some fine lines and curls. There are some black ones and white ones as well. A nice dark red lipstick. And that completes our roses eye design for today. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.